I wish to start my CMA Final study journey again with 2022 syllabus. So now I just downloaded all 8 papers, textbooks again from our CMA website. I just wanted to go through the syllabus mentioned in every textbook at beginning of studies. So now we have paper 13 to paper 20, 8 textbooks, and paper 20 again divided into 3 parts. In each subject, we are having multiple sections wherein we can understand content easily and we'll get to know what we are going to study in the textbook. So, from paper 13 to paper 20, I'm going to see what I am going to learn in paper 13 now. Paper 13 is corporate and economic laws. In this one, we are having two sections, section A and section B. Section A, so I'm going through the syllabus. So, number one, Companies Act 2013. Module 2, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. 3. Corporate Governance and Social Responsibility and Sustainability. When it comes to, see, this section A covers 60% of the weightage. I mean, out of 100 marks, 60 marks will be covered from this corporate laws, that is section A. In section B, economic laws and regulations. So under that, SEBI regulations, the Competition Act 2022, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, laws and regulations relating to banking sector, and laws and regulations relating to insurance sector, and module 9 then specific legal provisions related to MSME sector, laws and regulations related to cyber security and data privacy, laws and regulations related to anti-money laundering. This everything going to be for next 40%, that is next 40 marks. Every time we'll worry about learning law, but in this textbook we are just having 420 pages, which is just 210 papers of information, which we can remember aramse. So let's move on. Let me move on to paper 14. Paper 14 is strategic financial management. In paper 14, I am going to learn multiple things like in section B. So first of all, let me understand how many sections are there in the textbook. So there are typically 5 sections. Section A, B, C, D, E. From A, weightage is 25%, B 35, C 20, D 15, and F just 5%. So let me understand what am I going to learn from this textbook. In section A, investment decisions. Investment decisions, project planning and control. Evaluation of risk proposal for investment decisions. Leasing decisions, securitization. Section B, security analysis and portfolio management. Under this, introduction to security analysis and portfolio management, equity and bond valuation and evaluation of performance, mutual funds, portfolio theory and practice, asset pricing theories, portfolio performance evaluation, portfolio revision, efficient market hypothesis, That is what going to cover in section B. When it comes to section C, financial risk management, risks in financial market, financial derivatives, that is instruments for risk management. In section D, that is international financial management, under this the international financial environment, foreign exchange market, foreign exchange risk management. Finally, all about 5% is that is digital finance. This is all about paper 14, that is strategic financial management. So conceptually it feels like I can understand the content, um, terms, whatever I read here is still I'm able to remember from my past studies and CMA intermediate. Let me move on to paper 15. Paper 15. Paper 15 is direct tax laws under international taxation. Here we are having just two sections. Section A weightage is 60%, section B weightage is 40%. Under section A, I am going to learn direct tax laws. Initially, from the starting, assessment of income and computation of tax liability of various entities, tax management, return and assessment procedure, grievance redressal, penalties and prosecutions, business restructuring, different aspects of tax planning, CBDT and other authorities, e-commerce transaction and liability in special cases, income computation and disclosure standards ICDS, Black Money Act 2015 and case studies. When it comes to section B, international taxation, from here we will be knowing and marks will be for 40 marks. Here I am going to learn double taxation avoid and avoidance agreement DTAA, that is under section 90, 90A and 91. Then transfer pricing and GAAR. Then let me move on to paper 16. Paper 16 is strategic cost management. Here also we are having two sections. Section A weightage is 60%, section B weightage is 40%. In section A, that is strategic cost management for decision making, I am going to learn introduction to strategic cost management, quality cost management, decision making techniques, activity based management and just in time JIT, evaluating performance. When it comes to next 40 marks, that is section B, quantitative techniques in decision making, linear programming, transportation, assignment, game theory, simulation, network analysis, that is PERT and CPM, learning curve, business application of maxima and minima, business forecasting models, time series and regression analysis, introduction to tools for data analysis. This is what I'm going to study in paper 16. Let's move on to paper